To set up Do Not Disturb mode on a Samsung A36 5G, you have to start by opening settings, and then you will have to start scrolling into notifications. Now you will have to go into Do Not Disturb mode, and before you turn it on, you can set it up for how long you want to use it. Here you can get until you turn it off, or for example for a specific time, like 3 hours, or every time you're gonna turn it on, you will get this question. So this is actually your choice how you can set it up, but here you can set up schedules. First of all, you've got the default schedule, but you can then add your own. So you can set day when you want to get it to turn it on or off. And here you can also set the time. So start and end time. Right now you can scroll up and down to actually change it. And then you can click done, and you can set name for your sound, then click save, and here you can turn it on and off by tapping on the switchers. And below we can also allow something during the Do Not Disturb mode, like calls, messages, and for example app notifications. So as you can see right here, you can customize a lot of things, and that's basically how you can use Do Not Disturb mode.